Our brave veterans have continually served us. It is now time to serve them. Come down to Paris, Honda, Yamaha, Harley-Davidson for the 10th annual Chili Cook-Off, with proceeds benefiting the Wounded Warriors Project. See military vehicles on display. Sample the best at the chili contest. Browse the vendors. Enjoy live music, a beer garden, the Hooters Girls, wine tasting, and more. Stop in to commemorate and celebrate the Paris, Honda, Yamaha, Harley-Davidson 10th annual Chili Cook-Off. Take a ride to ParisHarley.com for more info.